Hola, ¿quién tenemos aquí? Al gallo. Can we say hola gallo? Hola, señor gallo. This is a rooster. Gallo, gallo. Me llamo gallo. Something so interesting. You know, in English, okay, where's our English? In English, we have the way we hear the roosters whenever they start singing. We say, oh, they say cock-a-doodle-doo. However, in all of these languages, to them that sound is different. So what is it in Spanish? Let's find out. Okay, look at all of these. By the way, I'll give you the reference to where I found this. Look in the Czech Republic, Czech language. This is what you hear. Italian, the Japanese, the Korean, Latin, co. So in Spanish, guess what? You will hear this, kikiriki, kikirikiki, or kokoroko, kokoroko. So that's what it is in these languages. And I took this from this website right here. And let me share with you let me see. Here, so you can hear it too. Ready? What do you hear? So in Spanish, it will be kikiriki. Who's coming here? Nuestro amigo el rooster. Hola, señor gallo. Hola, señora gallina. Hola, pollitos or polluelos. Hola, pollitos. And this was a part of a class that I teach for the song de colores se viste la aurora en la primavera. So if you would like to come and enjoy this song in one of my classes, make sure you send me an email to maestrarositaespanol@gmail.com. I can't wait to meet you and teach you Spanish. Hasta pronto. Adiós. De colores es el arco iris que vemos lucir. De colores. Adiós.